Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel for those who are returning, and welcome for those who are new. So today is a special occasion. I've been wanting this particular bag for about 1.5 to 2 years. Those who've been following me, I was stuck between two sizes. I didn't know which one to get in the silhouette because I'm a big bag girl. I was just like, and I've been watching y'all's videos, seeing which one I wanted. So let's just get in it because the anticipation is killing me. I just got home from work and I'm ready to get in this box. So hopefully y'all had a good Mother's Day, and this is actually why I got this little bag, because it is a Mother's Day gift. So I am super excited. I got this at I Love Dooney. They were having a really good Memorial Day sale. Okay, let me get my packing slip out. There she is. Oh my goodness. This is the Nano Satchel in Florentine, and I got it in the teal. Okay, I got some coupons for stuff. I don't know. I'll look at that later. Okay, let me... So I was in between the Nano and the Micro because the Micro... And who knows, I might still get the Micro in the future. We'll see. But I'm trying to downsize. I'm trying not to carry so much. And let me just tell you. This is the bag I'm carrying today, y'all. My Bordeaux Florentine Russell. Yeah, I'm really trying to downsize. Am I not? It's not about the Russell today. Okay. So she is a bit pebbled, and I don't mind that. It's even all around, so I'm good with that. And I've been looking for a green bag, y'all, and I was reading the comments on I Love Dooney. People were saying that it looked more green than teal, so I was like, hey, it's a win-win, because I've been looking for a green bag. Because that's what I wanted. I wanted more of a, like a dark green. Oh my goodness, she is so cute. I wonder if you all can see her. Okay, I changed the lighting. I'm hoping y'all can see her now. She has a little bit of a dent right here. I don't know. That's fine. So she's got, of course, the whip stitching. So she is gorgeous. I'm trying to keep her in focus, I'm sorry. And apparently these straps are 3-piece straps. You can make it into a shoulder and a crossbody. See, here's the green suede on the inside compared to the green of the bag. So it is a darker green. Okay, she has a dust bag. Okay, so if y'all can see the inside of this bag, she's got a pretty big opening. So I can stick my hand in there. I know a lot of people don't really like this opening, but it's fine for me. She's got the braided zipper pull. Of course, she's got the tassels with the green suede. And let me get this plastic off here. I'm probably going to speed this up for y'all. That way you don't have to see all of this. Oh my goodness, she is just too cute, y'all. Too cute.
I really do appreciate the way that Dooney wraps the hardware. I know some people don't like all this plastic and tape and all that, but I really, really appreciate it. Because I don't want to get my bag all scratched up with the hardware. I'd rather do it myself. Like, if I'm going to scratch up my hardware, I'm going to do it on my own. Not in trying to see me.
Oh, I love this green, y'all. Oh my goodness. I am absolutely in love with this green. This is the green that I wanted. I didn't want a light green at all. And I didn't really want it to be too blue either. This is the perfect green. Love it.
And here's the key keeper.
I'll take the straps out just to show you. I'm sure y'all have seen a ton of these videos. Although, there's not many in nano size. I see a lot of micro videos, but not many in nano. I guess people are just, I don't know. Some people think the nano is too small. But like I said, I'm forcing myself to downsize.
Okay, now this is definitely a workout to get this out. Okay, here we go. There we go.
Okay, so you've got this end part here. Then you've got middle here. And then you've got this last piece here. So I'm just going to show you. So you can make this a shoulder bag. Oh, it still has the little tip for that. Ooh, make sure I clean this up very well, or else my puppy will get into this stuff. I had to close my door. I didn't want him getting in here. Okay. Oh my goodness, it is just too darn cute. Too darn cute, y'all. And I'll do a different video, like what's in my bag video and a more detailed video on this. This is just the unboxing, y'all. Those who have been following me know that there's always a follow-up video if I do an unboxing. But overall, she is super cute. Super, super cute. So super cute. Okay, so I'm going to get I moved into my pocket planner. Let me get all this trash out of the way. Okay, here's the Mr. Darcy Chic Sparrow in the pocket size. And I know a lot of people were getting like full-size wallets in here. You can fit the planner in there, and you still have a little bit of room in here. Here's my extra small simple pouch by Chic Sparrow, and it has my lipstick and hand sanitizer spray and my pill case. That'll also fit in there as well. Very nicely, actually. So I've got my keys on here. Put my keys in there. And then I've got my eyeglass case. Put that in there. So there's my glasses in the back. Then my planner, my pouch with lipstick and lotion and stuff. And then my keys. And that's really the essentials, y'all. And I don't even need my planner when I'm going to the grocery store or a quick trip, something like that. She is so super cute. And if y'all have been following me, you know that I don't mind the Florentine that is textured. I don't really like calling it pebble because pebble is made a different way. And if you haven't seen that video about different Florentine, I'll link it in the description below. Oh my goodness, she is gorgeous. Let me show you. This is a nano planner by Chic Sparrow. This is what I would normally use in a small bag. And this planner has everything that my pocket planner has. So dailies, weeklies, monthlies, my to-dos. So that's that. And of course, fits perfect in there. No maneuvering needed. Plenty of room to spare. So there you go. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks to all my new subs, my subs that have been with me for quite some time. Really enjoy y'all checking things out. After staring at it for a little while, you can actually see the blue in it. Alright y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. My new Nano Dooney and Bourke satchel in the Florentine Teal. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.